Welcome to the January 14th, 2025 news briefing. Here's what you need to know. In global affairs, Israel-Hamas talks show progress, but obstacles remain while the Russia-Ukraine conflict continues. On the economy, inflation worries persist. Oil and gas stocks are up, but big tech struggles, with companies like Moderna and Macy's seeing steep losses. In tech, Neuralink reports a third successful brain implant, and stricter AI chip export rules spark debate. Wildfires worsen in California, highlighting climate challenges, while health experts warn of a winter surge in flu, COVID-19, and RSV. Stay informed. Like and subscribe for more updates.